So I'm Bill Berry. I'm Vice President of IT for cole-parmer, which is a manufacturer of fluid handling lab essentials and test and measurement equipment. So when we set out to look at the technology we needed for our e-commerce platform, obviously there's a lot of players out there. For us, it was really key in picking Insite was their experience with B2B functionality. It also had Insite, the .NET platform that our team had already some skills, so we were able to know that we could partner with somebody that had expertise with Insite software, but we could also help build it in-house as well for the long term. It also had a really good fit with some of the other components of our architecture. Insite had actually helped us bridge with the PIM that we wanted to add, as well as some legacy architecture that was a good fit to use with Insite's platform. To gain the buy-in from the organization to do a new re-platform in our environment wasn't particularly difficult. One, we had just separated from a parent company, and so we wanted to break away and set a new tone and a brand for our separated business. So everyone knew we needed to sort of reskin it, but we also had trouble really with sustaining the support for all these legacy properties. And we wanted to combine these properties to bring it together, and so it wasn't too difficult to explain that in order to do that we needed an off-the-shelf product that would really help us get there faster than to keep recoding and building things on our own. So it took some work to figure out that level of effort, what the scope was, but everyone knew that it was the right thing. We hadn't done a refresh and a new platform in a while, and so it just took working with the business, marketing, sales, and technology, all the way up to our ownership to just make sure that we're all aligned with what we're trying to do.